So I saw this trending and I had to make a video about it. I had to jump on the bandwagon. Drake got fake abs, y'all. How do we know? Well, just look at his arms, okay? In order to have visible abs, your body fat percentage has to be within a certain number. For men specifically, as you lose body fat, you will lose that fat in your arms first, way before you lose it in the stomach. So the fact that he's got no definition in his arms, they look soft. If I went and pulled up a body fat percentage chart, if you're looking at his arms, I would guess he's at least 25% or higher in body fat before he got this surgery. So if you look at his arms, they look soft. He's high in body fat. The irony in all of this is he also decided to take a picture of this in front of a mountain of alcohol. And listen, if you actually want to get visible abs, the quickest way to do it is be in a calorie deficit. All he would have to do is this. Number one, all that alcohol that he took a picture in front of, throw it away. Throw it away and be in a calorie deficit. You would need to do this for at least 3 months. I would suggest working out at least 3 days a week and working out your abs once a week with weight resistance. And in 3 months, you would have abs. You wouldn't have to do this. This looks so ridiculous. And I'm so glad that everyone in the fitness industry is calling him out for this, because let's be clear, when you have a good body, that's something that you earned that no one can take away from you. So when you walk into a room and you're in shape, everyone knows that you had to have put some type of work and effort to obtain that body. When you do this, you shit on all of that. So, no, you can't just drink all this alcohol and party and magically have abs. You didn't earn it. You should be shamed for it because this is ridiculous.